I will wash 9 larger mushrooms. I will widen the opening on the mushrooms. Write me in the comments from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. I will chop an onion. I will chop 1 clove of garlic. I will pour olive oil into the pan and wait for it to heat up. I will fry the onion and garlic in the heated olive oil. I add the rest of the mushrooms. I will fry until the onion is soft. I'll put the onions in a bowl. I'll wait for the onions to cool. I will add chopped parsley to the onion. Add salt to taste. Pepper. I add 100 grams of cream cheese. I will combine the mixture. Now I will stuff the mushrooms. I will finally grate 100 grams of hard cheese. Now I need bacon bits. I wrap the mushrooms in bacon leaves. I fry mushrooms in a hot air fryer. I bake the mushrooms at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. If you like the video, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, dear friends.